Oh my, hello guys, we're back to my videos, and today we're gonna play Obby of Love Valentine's Day, I guess. So anyways guys, I know I'm going to beat this game. So that means I know I'm going to beat this game, guys. So anyways guys, if you want to share my videos, I'll try make sure that you subscribe. So anyways guys, I know I'm going to beat this game. So no copyright guys. So anyways guys, I know I'm going to beat this, no Filipino. So we're going to play this. So anyways guys, okay, be careful guys. So why there's a bridge there? The guy looks like a floating city. Floating city, I guess. So yes, I know. Okay, so anyways guys, I'm now going to beat this game. So this could be the heart. That is the heart, I guess. Why does the graphic will be easy guys? Who's the easiest game ever? Hey, the ever seen that my life. So this could be the easy mode that I just showed you. So how to tell? How to? Come on. How to just tell that I? Stop it, please, or else. You're trolling me. Why does the game troll me? Stop it. You stop trolling me, okay? Or else I will just I will be mad and I'm going to report it. Okay guys, so anyways guys, if you bully me again, then I'm not gonna be friends anymore guys. So anyways guys, I'm not going to beat this game. I'm now going to English speaking right now. Why there's not so many hearts here in this game? So this could be the Valentine's of you that I just said it. Or else do this again. If you do this again, then I'm not. Yes, I know. If you do this again, then I'm not gonna just. Okay, guys, so we're going to just put that thing. Wait, hold on. I should do like this, and let's do like this. Are here? I should do like this, and now I'm going to speed run. I never get to speed run. Okay, do not touch it, or else I'll skip it with my video. I guess. Okay. What is that? Be careful, and be careful. Okay, guys. Wait, who should get across this line? Look at her! She's so annoying. I'm going to beat her! Oh my goodness! Wait, I need to this. Okay guys, this could be the longest obby in the world. So that is, I'm not going to beat this game. I'm going to take something with it again. So that means wait. Stage 112. Okay, that is good. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, so that is a good idea. 112 stage. Okay, so why is it thing? Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna make a long video. It's 1 hour. I don't know what to do this. What's that? 21%. I don't know. Okay, only got 90%. That was good. Okay. What's that? What's that keyboard do? Okay, only got stage. Okay. Only got my stuff. That's okay. What is that? Is that redeem? Is that my gift? I guess. Okay. That is my gift. Ah! Oh, I get it. It's right there. Okay. I already realized something. I guess. Haha. Noob. I'm gonna beat this game. Wait, hold on. Nah. Okay. It's not easy. Easy more. Ah. Okay. Guys. So, anyways, guys, it's so easy, guys. Okay, how should you gonna press? Can I press this? Oh, there. Come on, quickly. Oh. Haha, look at it. Look at this obby. So dumb. Okay, guys. I'm going to beat it. That is ignore the thing. And now, guys, I'm now going to cheat. Wait, I should do like this. Wait, hold on. Like this? Okay, nice. Right. What the heck? Huh? Wait, hold on. Like this. Okay. Oh, this. I'm a genius, guys. Okay. It's good. It's good idea. Oh, nah. Careful. Do not throw me or else. I'm going to just report you all. Wait. I should do like this. Okay. I should just cross this. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. This. Oh, haha, noob. Haha, I'm so good at this game. What the heck? What's that across this? Oh my god, stop. I should also. You're cheating. Oh. Okay, do not do this. Okay. Come on. We should go up the ladder and perfect. Cheat. 2, 3. Okay, that's a good idea. I made it. I made it. This could be the funny video in the world. Oh my goodness, what's that thing? What's that? The obstacles thing. What's that obstacle thing? Obstacle thing? I don't know what it is. What's that? B. I don't understand. You're saying that it's a bad word. You're dumb. You're dumb. I don't understand and you're dumb. Okay guys, so anyways guys. Let's ignore this. You're dumb. And you're dumb. Well, stop saying, okay? It's probably in Spanish. Oh my goodness, my thing. Okay, come on, I have 37. Oh my goodness. Where is? Stop saying Spanish, stop! Stop saying Spanish. What the heck? What's that? Why I always speak Spanish? Okay. Man, that's raw. Okay guys, so anyways guys, I know I'm going to beat this game. I know guys. Okay, that's good. Good idea. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, and we need to finish skill all. I don't know. Stage 40 out of 12, 112 and 35 35%. Yes. Okay. Store give invited. I don't know. I don't like invited. I don't want to invited. Ah! Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Come on, I need to beat this game. Beat this. Come on, beat this game. We need to beat this game. Come on. Oh my goodness, your thing is so smart, huh? You trying me, huh? Okay, I know good to be smart. Smartest game ever. Okay, guys. What is that? Is that a footprint? Let me see. Let's see. Okay, let's hear that. What goes this? See, I hear it. Okay, so now it's good. Okay, so now I'm going to beat this game. Oh, oh wait, I didn't even die. Okay, okay, and now I'm going to chop this across the cross line obstacle thing ever seen. That is called. Ever this is a hard. Ah, okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Come on, let's try again. Oh, hi. You're trying to get smarter, huh? Smarter than Roblox. Smarter than me, huh? Okay. What's that heart do? What's that? Is that a heartbeat? Also, this is an herb that is called blood vessels, I think, before. This could be the blood vessels that I showed this. Okay. Oh, go across this. Okay. Go line to the top of this. Left or right? Right. It's right there. Okay, right. Let's go to the right in obstacles, guys. Let's touch the checkpoint. Let's go. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I know where the beach. Hey! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come on! Come on! Okay, guys. Okay. You're trying to get smart. You're trying to get smart. Oh, the thing. I should press this. I should press this. Oh, come on! Go! I should press this and go! So again. Go! Go! Ha! Noob! I'm smarter than me. I'm going to just jump it because of you. You're so funny and silly and you're so ugly. Noob. Okay, so anyways guys, I know go to beat the game. Okay, let's go. Okay. Starting. Okay, it's not hard. Okay, so anyways guys, what's starting? Come on. Ah! Come on, please. Come on. Okay. Gimme. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. What? For 8 minutes. Only got for 8%. Okay. Come on, go. It's so hard. Wait, I should do like this. You know what? Let's give up. Come on, go. No. Oh my goodness, it's gotta be hard. This could be the trickiest thing ever. Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, I made it to the top. Mommy, later at morning. Okay. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to make that early. We need to collect 112. 112 of this. Okay. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to skip this. I run very fast because I'm so slow. This thing, but I'm so fast. Okay. I'm not going to run very fast. What the heck? What's the signal? Huh? What is Sigma? What is Sigma? Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Sorry guys. What's that arrow thing? Okay, we need to just touch the checkpoint. I don't know. The stage thing. Okay. What's that thing? I don't want to touch it. The laser thing. Laser beam. I'm going to pick the correct bit. I don't want to pick it. I know go to cheat. I know guys. I know go to cheat. I wanna cheat. I'm a cheater. Guys. See? Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I thought easy. It was easy. Okay, it was. You trying me? Oh, later. Oh my. Later. Okay. Okay, let's go. Obstacles. What? Come on. Come on, I need to beat this game. Don't touch the thing. Ooh. Do not touch it, or else. Do not touch it, okay? Come on, I need to beat this game. We should beat this game. Where is it? Oh, it's there, okay. That's good. We should just do this, okay. Oh. Yes! I'm pro, guys. Guys, can you do you be my friend, guys, please? Also, guys, text. I was good, guys. I know it's guys. I don't wanna touch this. Give me, can I touch it? Okay, yes. What the Sigma? Oh, Sigma boy. I don't I thought it was easy, please. Okay, guys. Easy. Very good, guys. Wait, hold on. Stop. Bro, why always Spanish? Stop speaking Spanish or else English only. Stop speaking Spanish. Yeah, let's see. Abu Dhabi, Gamu, I don't know how to put it. Abu Dhabi. I don't know how to put it. Okay. Come on. I need to beat this game. What the heck? Okay. Yes, 74 stage. We need to beat this game. Only got 12 minutes, guys. 12 minutes more. Oh my goodness. Yes. Wait, what's that thing? What's that? Sword in a gun? In a laser beam? That's gonna make it. What's that? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come on! Don't touch it. Oh! Don't touch it. Don't! This game is freaked out, guys. Who? Yes! Let's go! Come on, I need to beat this game. Oh! Come on. We need to beat this 77th stage. What's that? Obstacles thing? I don't know what it is. What is obstacles? Oh, that is called an obby. That they floating area. Floating obbies, floating bricks, and floating grass, and floating cities. What is the point of this? Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on, I need to beat this game. We need to beat this game. Beat this game. Let's go do this. We need to do this. Oh my goodness. Stop speaking Spanish or else. I'll report. You keep on speaking Spanish or else. Stop speaking Spanish. Obstacles or else I will kick you. Oh my goodness. Hallelujah. Oh my goodness. Hallelujah. Okay, that's good. Wait, how can I just... Wait, where is it? Come on, go. Let's go. We need to do this. Come on, go up. Come on. Do not touch it or else I will get so sad. Please. I'll get so sad and angry. Come on, go down. There go. Wait, what's that obstacle? Oh my goodness. Okay. That is the heart. That is called the heart. There's a dark thing. There's a pink. Oh my goodness. I need to be careful. Come on, go. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's go! Uh-oh. Oh my goodness! Stay! Okay. Yes, let's go! Let's go! We need to be able to do this! Come on! Woo! Come on, don't. No! Oh my goodness. You will also make a progress. Don't save my progress, okay? Save my progress. Do not push me. Oh my. Haha. No! You're trying to get smart, huh? You're trying me? Huh? I'm so good. You're so bad. I'm so good and you're so bad. You're so silly. You're so ugly. So gonna be noob. You're so noob. You're so ugly. You're so good. You're so not good. Yes, I don't like you anymore. Ah! Wait, I should do this. Wait, I should able to. What did I just do? Messed up. I hate this game. Please go, master. Go, master. Wait, okay. Oh wait, I should able to do this. There. I'm so dumb. At this game. Oh my. Come on, I need to beat this game. We need to beat this game. Come on. Obstacles, we're gonna get free. Come on, we need to free Robux. Do you get free Robux? Check my link in my bio. That is good. Okay guys, let's go. Oh. No. That. What's that? Is that an E from Adrian? Okay, I only got 92. We need to able to do this. Come on, we're gonna able to do this. Come on, we should able to do this. Wait, love? Is that an E for do this? They just spell my name, Adrian. Okay. Oh! No! Okay, guys. That's good. That just makes me funny. Makes a funny video. That is called Adrian. That's I made. How can I beat this game? Okay, come on, let's go. Finish skip. Okay, come on. Store give invited. Okay. Music off, on and off. Oh, come on. I know how to beat this game. Can I just cheat? Let's see. Nah, come on, please. We need. Bro, why are you taking? Oh, please. Whoop. There. Please go. No. Oh no! Oh, we should able to SMS. Yes. Oh, I should able to easy. It's easy. Oh my goodness, I'm so dumb. I'm dumb, guys. Okay. That's good. Okay. 99%. 99 stage. Come on, we did. We need to collect one of this stage. Come on. I should able to do this. Why does my footprints are disappear? I don't know. I hear footsteps in. Oh my goodness. Okay, we should able to do this. We should go. One. Go to the other hearts and go to the other hearts. We should be careful. We can be careful. So now be careful. One. We should able to do this. Do not friend. Oh man, no. Oh, wait. Oh, I should touch it. Oh yes. Wait, can I choose it? Nah. Choose the right spot. Huh? Oh wait, I should able to choose it. I should able to do choose. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm getting really angry. Or else, come on, I need to beat this game. What? That's it. I'm going to cheat. Damn, I need. Come on. Ha, noob. I hate this game. Please. I hate this game. my goodness, stop. Nah. No. Nah. Okay, let's go. 106. It's been here for 20 years. Since, oh wait, 20 minutes. Since we got up. Wait, come on, I need to beat this game. Okay. No, I hate this. Don't ever dare. Ooh. Don't you ever dare. Don't you ever dare to follow me. Wrong. Oh my goodness. No. Come on, please. You're able to this. Come on, go on. Come on, go. You're able to this guys. I know guys. I know go to this game. Ah. Okay, come on. If you stop bullying me. Okay. That's the win. Oh, I should win. I win. Yes. Come on. Yes. I win, guys. I win. Okay. I'll be of love. Yes. Thank you. I like to choose this one. This one is my perfect time. I just beat this game. So anyways guys, if I want to see more videos, I'll try make sure that I can subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. So goodbye guys. I know I'm gonna end of the video guys. So anyways guys, I'm gonna end of the video guys. So this could be I'll be of love. So that means goodbye guys.